You are watching a 360-degree drag race video. That means you can change the camera angle by either tilting your mobile device or dragging the cursor on your desktop's browser window. If you want to watch the proper drag race video of these particular cars, then click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video to watch the full drag race video. Anyway, on with the race.
Oh, he got a better start than me. God, come on, McLaren! Come on, come on, come on! Bye-bye, bye-bye!
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the McLaren did the quarter mile in 11 seconds dead. The Audi took 11.5 despite it starting ahead. In third was the AMG, 12.4 was its standing quarter time. With 13.3 seconds, the BMW was last across the line.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour in second gear. I'm going to count us in, then we're going to floor the throttles and go. We're all locked in manual mode. Yianni, drop back, mate. You've got to get shoulder to shoulder with me, otherwise there's no point. Come on, you ready? Everyone shoulder to shoulder, come on. Get level with me. Right in, I'm going to call it. 3, 2, 1, go! See ya! Hello, Prof Green. I'll see you later.
Thanks for watching this 360-degree drag race video. Now check out the full video by clicking on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen or on the link below the video.